What is up, Nova Nation? My name is Vana SUPERNOVA, and welcome back to my channel where I discuss everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. Today we're diving straight into my 2019 weight loss journey. My goal for March 2019 is twofold. I want to lose 10 pounds before the end of the month, and I want to maintain my newly found keto lifestyle. So first things first, before we jump into everything, I'm gonna do my body shots followed by my measurements to see exactly where I'm at, get a good gauge of, where my problem areas are. And then lastly, I'll do the weigh-in. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. All right, y'all, let's get it. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about my problem areas. So first things first, this saggage over here, I want to lose this right here, these little wings I got going on. Secondly, I want to slim down this belly I got here. Unacceptable, okay, for summer 2019. So we're gonna get rid of that, okay? And lastly, it's the back fat, okay? I got these rolly with a dabber ranch going on back here. Can't be having that summer 19. It's a no-no, okay? So let's bust out the measuring tape and see exactly where we are. Okay, let's start off with the arm, the upper arm. So with the upper arm, we're at 14 inches. Next, we are doing the chest. It's kind of hard because I don't have a bra on, so I'm trying to see where it goes out the most. I think this is accurate. Looks like we're at, that's not the pointy part. I can't see, hold on. I think we're at 45. Yeah, I think we're at 45 here. Next on the docket, we got the waist. So let's see where we are, and the waist is pretty much where it goes in the most. So I don't know, it's so hard to freaking. I'm at 39.5. Then we have our hips. According to this diagram that I'm looking at, the hips is where the outermost portion of my posterior is. So I'm gonna measure from that point. Seems to be accurate. Uh-oh. Oh my God, I got it on backwards. I've got 49 inches. And lastly, the thigh. $28.5. Now that we have the measurements completed, we're gonna go ahead and do what everybody is kind of waiting for, at least what I'm waiting for. I need to see how much I weigh. I'm gonna go ahead and do the weigh-in and see exactly where my starting point is. Okay, so now that you've seen the body shots, you've seen the measurements, and you've seen the weigh-in, you've seen everything full circle. I hope that you join me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for joining me today. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comment section below. I will try to my best of my ability to help. I thank you so much for joining me today. And if you enjoyed it here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Until the next video, I'll see you guys. Bye.